Hi there, I'm here to give a demonstration as to the safety features of the Quooker range. Now the first big safety feature that is present throughout the whole Quooker range is a patented double push and twist mechanism. Now to dispense the boiling water, you have to do a 1-2 twist. That's there to prevent children and even individuals who have never seen this tap before from dispensing boiling water by accident. The second safety feature across the whole Quooker range is a patented aerated flow. Now, if the boiling water was dispensed in a concentrated stream like so, and you accidentally caught your hand underneath the stream of boiling water, you would burn and scald your finger at around 70 to 80 degrees. Now what Quooker do is, when you dispense boiling water, we're injecting air into the stream. Now what that allows you to do is, if by accident you caught your hand underneath the stream of boiling water, you will never burn or scald yourself. Now I wouldn't recommend going around doing that, but it is an additional safety feature to prevent any injury. The third feature that is present across the whole range is an insulated spout. Now the benefits of this are twofold. Firstly, even though this spout is dispensing boiling water, this will never get hot. Now there's two chambers running through this spout, one through the middle that's insulated, that is dedicated just to delivering boiling water, and then a second insulated chamber around the outside that delivers just the regular hot and cold. Now if you're dispensing boiling water and you flick straight to cold, there's no runoff at all. It's an immediate change. Now a safety feature that is just on the flex tap is the fact that if you're doing boiling water and you pull this hose out, the boiling water will shut off automatically and immediately. Now this hose is made out of braided nylon, which is highly insulated, highly durable and highly flexible.